The buccal nerve provides sensory innervation to which of the following? The buccal nerve, or the long buccal nerve, is a branch of the mandibular division of the trigeminal nerve and should not be confused with the buccal branch of the facial nerve. Here's the buccal branch of the facial nerve on the face. It is motor for the muscles of facial expression like the buccinator and the orbicularis oris muscle, while the long buccal nerve, or the buccal branch of the mandibular nerve, which you can see it here in the infratemporal fossa, it is purely sensory. So in many textbooks, it's also called long buccal nerve to differentiate it from the buccal branch of the facial nerve, which is motor. It will be easy to exclude the first option since the sensory innervation of the meninges is primarily by meningeal branches of both the trigeminal and vagus nerves. In the middle cranial fossa, as the first option is stating, meningeal branches of ophthalmic, maxillary, and mandibular divisions of trigeminal nerve participate in the innervation. The meningeal branch of the maxillary nerve supplies the anterior parts of the floor of the fossa, while the meningeal branch of the mandibular nerve supplies the posterior parts of the fossa. The meningeal branch of the mandibular nerve is also called nervus spinosus. It is the one that enters the skull through foramen spinosum together with the middle meningeal artery. So the first option is wrong. Regarding the remaining four options, let's remember this diagram. The skin and mucous membrane of the lower lip in option B, opposite the incisors, is supplied by the mental nerve. The mental nerve, the branch of the inferior alveolar nerve that leaves the mandibular canal through the mental foramen. In option C, the mucous membrane of the floor of the mouth, together with the lingual gingiva of all the mandibular teeth, is supplied by the lingual nerve. Regarding option D, mandibular vestibular gingiva alongside the molar teeth, like the buccal mucosa, is supplied by the long buccal nerve along the mandibular molars. So D is correct. The maxillary vestibular gingiva alongside the molar teeth in option E are supplied by superior alveolar nerves. The superior alveolar nerves also supply the corresponding teeth. Remember that the long buccal nerve here, it supplies also the skin over the cheek, and then it passes through buccinator muscle. It pierces buccinator, it doesn't supply the muscle, pierces buccinator together with the parotid duct, and as it pierces buccinator, it supplies the buccal mucosa, as well as supplying the vestibular gingiva alongside the molar teeth.